Alright, we're here in the National Seashore. Look, there's a seal right there. There's another one that's right here. He went underwater. We'll see if they pop out. We're getting bitten by skeeters. Skeeters down here. Oh, look at him. He's looking at him. See him? Hey, Mr. Seal. Hey, Mr. Seal. He's looking right at us right there. You see him? Right there? He's staring right at us. Rookie's behind us. Oh, did you see him? He just went down. So, did you see that seal, Brookie? Made you smile, huh? So, we're here at the National Seashore, and yeah, it's a little overcast today, but yeah, there's a few people out here. Yeah, there's a seal. He popped his head up. He's looking at the people. Beautiful house up there. I'd love to own that house. So, just big waves. Rookie said to come down here because there's some big waves.